I'm at my wit's end. We have just had some time outside. Hans went absolutely nuts. And Gretel is starting to really piss me off. No. Got your tail. Got your tail. Hey? Why are you being a poo bum? Why are you being a poo bum? Why can't you be like a normal little budgie like this one? Hey? Hey? Why? Why must you be rotten? Hey? Hey! Come on. There's no need for this piece de la resistance. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Don't you bite. Don't you bite. You were being a poo bum. Hey, why are you being a poo bum? That's the longest she stayed on my finger. Come on. You've got to leave Hans alone. You've got to leave Hans alone. What did I just say? Hey, what did I just say? If I get you out, you won't stay on my hand. No. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Up you come. Good girl. Why are you such a poo bum? Come on. Why are you such a poo bum? Hmm? Hmm? Come on. Come on. She is so... I've tried everything. I don't know what else to do. Okay, you can go. Do you want to come out? Do you want to come out? Yeah? Do you want to escape Miss... Hey? Come on. Come on. If you come out, you have to stay on my finger. You have to stay on my finger. Yeah. If I let you out, she's going to go nuts. Yeah. She's going to go nuts. Come on. Hey. Poo bum. Poo bum. Got your tail. Got your tail. That probably scared different things. This is funny. Eh? This isn't funny. This isn't funny. This isn't funny. Why are you such a poo bum? Why are you such a poo bum? You're going to be staying here for the rest of your life. I don't think she like the sound of that. You're going to be staying here for the rest of your life. Yes. Yes. Where's your peg? I chew through this peg. I chew everything. Come on. Up you come. Up you come. Now stay. Stay. So much for staying. No, you are going to stay in there. See, I can't tame him. As much as I try, one goes nuts without the other one. Come on. Come down here. Come down here. Come on. Come down here. Come on. Hans is going nuts without you. Come on. Down you come. Down you come. Come on. Come on. Come on, cheeky girl. She's on top of the fan. Come on, cheeky girl. Come down here. Come down here. Oh, Hans, you need to stay still. You can do without her. Where's your seed box? Where's your seed? Hey, where's your seed? Come on, cheeky girl. That's a really good ass shot there, Hans. That your bumhole. Thanks a lot, mate. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. All that purple. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Got your tail too. Got your tail too. Come on, Gretel. Come on. Come on. Come down here. Come on. Come down here. Down you come. Nope. 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 Hi. Hey, 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 hey. Hans, you need to settle. You need to settle. Come on. Come down here, Gretel. Come down here. Hey. You need to settle. Come on. Come on. Come down here. I won't get Hans out of his cage till you come down. Objections. Come on, Miss Smart Bird. Come down here. Come on. Come on. Before the disc gets full on this camera. Good girl. Good girl. Come over here. Don't have anything. Every time. She knows. She's so nice. Come on. Come down here. Hi. Hi. Come on. They're getting a bit agitated. Well, he is, but she isn't. I'm not letting both of you out of your cage because it's coming up to late in the afternoon. Come on. I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, it's been fun training them because she is a smart bitch. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. You going to come over here? Come on. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. Okay, that's it for the day. Yeah, that's it for the day.